Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your 1040 tax return. First, gather all your essential documents. This includes income statements like Form W-2 from employers and various Form 1099s for other income sources. Don't forget to collect records for any potential deductions or credits, such as charitable contributions or educational expenses. Having everything organized upfront will make the process much smoother and help you avoid errors. Next, let's focus on accurately reporting your income. Your Form W-2 shows your wages, salary, and any tips. For other income, like interest, dividends, or self-employment earnings, you'll use various Form 1099s. It's crucial to report all taxable income to the IRS. Double-check these figures against your records to ensure everything is correct before moving on to deductions. Now, let's explore how deductions and credits can save you money. Deductions reduce your taxable income, while credits directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. For example, you might deduct student loan interest or contributions to a health savings account. Researching available credits, like the child tax credit or earned income tax credit, can significantly impact your refund or amount due. Make sure you claim everything you're entitled to. Finally, it's time to review and submit your return. Before filing, meticulously check all entries on your Form 1040 for any errors or omissions. You can choose to e-file for faster processing and confirmation, or mail a paper return. Remember to submit your return by the deadline, which is typically April 15th, to avoid any late filing penalties. Congratulations, you've successfully prepared your tax return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.